They will make you question who you are. They will make you question, izinto ozenzayo nawe uzithole sewuziquestiona ukuthi kahle kahle, am I doing it correctly? Am I going about it the correct way? Just because wena with everything oyenzayo, you always want their opinion. With everything oyenzayo, you always want to bypass it. Ebantwini who actually don't even wish you well. They will whisper all the negative things and show you all the different directions of how you are not going to come through and actually make it. They will whisper all those things up to a point where now you start actually questioning ukuthi, am I going about it the correct way? They will make you question ukuthi ingabe lento engiyenzayo izophumelela na? When you try and actually wenze izinto on your own and see them through and let umsebenzi wakho do the talking for you, you will notice the difference between how when you have shared izinto zakho before uzenza and when you did them silently on your own. Yes, kuyanideka sometimes ukuthi sizithole sifuna i-opinion of other people before we can do izinto, but it's not always the case. Sometimes ubokubheke labantu oshare nabo izinto zakho ukuthi how many times have I shared with these people izinto ezikanjena and how many of them have actually pulled through after I've shared nabo. And actually try a different approach ukuthi uyenze izinto zakho in silence and let your work speak for itself and see the difference between the two. Ubozazi mntana sekhaya ukuthi izinto okumele uzikhulume nabanye abantu nezinto okumele uzikeep to yourself, because some of us actually celebrate your downfall.